Alright, so it is Monday morning and Mommy's just running into Target. We just took a picture of a house for work, for the other work that was out a little ways, and then I figured I'd stop at Target because we needed a couple little food items for the week. So I'm gonna run in there with my Monka bunch. Say hi! and we're gonna run home and do my work assignment and probably do lunch. So we are having a busy Monday already. And then it's supposed to be like 95 degrees today, so we're gonna go to the pool hopefully when Daddy gets off work later. Ooh. Where's the buggy? Where is she? Hi! There she is! There she is! What's on your face? Eyelash?
Play!
Yeah. Are you making a bed?
Play!
Yeah. You gonna go night-night? You gonna lay on it? You gonna lay on it? Ah! What are you doing? What are you doing, cutie? Are you sleepy? Go night-night. Shh. Yeah? Mommy's wrapped up in a blanket too. But we gotta do this BPO work. We went to Target and we handed some of our wrap cards out. They have a coupon on them. We only handed out one. So Mommy's still getting up the nerve to give coupons to people for the wraps. So but we did it, right? Yeah, and we ate lunch and Mommy did some work for that, and then now we got to do that BPO work that we were talking about, and then it'll be nap time, right? Yeah, and you can go night-night on the floor like that. Go, ooh, night-night. Cutie. What's on TV? Is it Yo Gabba Gabba? Say hi. Muno! Poopa! Good girl! Roby! Tootie! Plex! Good girl! Okay guys, we're gonna go get Lily from her nappy, because she is sounding wide awake. Sneak up on her. Hi! Well, hello, my monkey butt. What do you see? Olivia? You see Olivia? Olivia was what we were watching right before you went night-night. Is that why you said that? Olivia. Olivia? Yeah. Olivia. Yeah? Cute. Let's see. We need to get... Yeah, we need to turn this off. And then we're gonna go. We're gonna go somewhere. Where are we gonna go? We're gonna get Baba's. And then we're gonna go to the pool. Oh, and we're gonna get your anklet. Okay. Dada? I don't know. Is Dada even here? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see if... Hold on, let's go get your diaper. Your swim diaper. And then we'll see if Dada's here. Say Dada. Dada. Say Dada.
Hi.
Say Dada.
Daddy's got a surprise for you.
What is it? What is it? Look at their face.
What do you think it is?
I think it's an extra duck face for when this one runs out. What is
Ready? It's banana bread.
it? Ooh, banana rama bread. You want some?
You want a bite?
One bites?
Bet you do.
Mmm.
Bite. It's yummy.
It's like cake. You want some?
Still waking up.
Mm-hmm. It's like cake. You want
Here you
it?
go. Here you go.
Mm-hmm.
See?
I knew you would like it. Mm-hmm. Yummy? Is it good? Baby? Is it good? Oh, she's like...
Oh, you come to Daddy now, huh? You come to Daddy now.
Mm-hmm. Yummy.
Thought so.
Lily's eating her little snack, and Daddy's eating his little snack, and Mommy's eating her little snack, and Daddy took her under the mushroom. Yeah. And she was okay, but she had her hat on, so it wasn't like the full experience. Right, baby? Did you have fun in the pool? Yeah. You were such a good girl. You were jumping? You two look like twins. Lorelai! Lorelai! Baby! Her cheeks are red.
We just had to go jump a car in our driveway because it's having issues with the battery. And Lorelai got put down because she wanted to walk around the car and look around and discover stuff and play. And she stubbed her little toe, or her big little toe, and took a big chunk out of the tip of her big toe. So needless to say, she's not happy, right? Happy because she wouldn't listen and be careful and stop running. So that's what happens, right? Right? You're not happy about it, are you? No. But dinner's ready, and we're running a little bit late now because of the car issue. But it's actually bedtime, but we're just getting ready to start eating dinner.
Leftover dinner.
Leftover good stuff that Mommy made. And then we're gonna brush teeth and go right to bed. Right? Right? Love you. You'll feel better with food in your belly, right? Okay. Somebody's exhausted. She's holding Mommy's back and being held like a big baby.
Mama's baby girl. Mwah.
Aww, little baby Lorelai. Aww.
Well, found out I am not the fastest image artist in the world.
Up, 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 up. Do little Mickey Mouse band-aids. Up, 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 up. Can we brush? Brush teeth?
There's that pile of melt.
She's done. She was done earlier after the pool, and then she stubbed her toe and wasted all that energy screaming and crying. Here we go. Brush them. Hi. Hi.
Hot. We should stay Mama's baby forever.
You wanna rinse? Rinse? Good girl.
Oh, you see Mickey Mouse?
Mickey!
We just gave her that Band-Aid so she could have a pretty one on her.
Mickey!
Mickey.
That's right. Say Mickey. Good girl.
That's Mickey Mouse.
Say Mickey Mouse. Alright.
I've never seen her like this.
She's exhausted.
She's like, this carrot. I mean, she always asks to go up.
Like to walk up.
Yeah.
Alright, you want to give him a kiss?
Give night-night kiss.
Mm,
Give kiss. Mwah. She did. It was just silent. She was like, give kiss.
steamed up the lens.
Give kiss.
Give a kiss? Say bye. Mickey. Can you say night-night?
Bye, Mickey. Can you say bye?
Bye-bye. Bye. Say bye.
Say see ya.
Oh.
Say see
The
ya.
lens is all steamed up. Look at this. It's making her face all weird.
Ew. That's why you need to wipe it.
Oh,
Here we
there.
go.
Say bye.
Is that Mickey? That's Mickey. Bye-bye.